Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing show and tell video. Today we're looking over the AstroAI 6 liter mini fridge. It's got a cooling function, it also has a warm function, upgraded chip, energy saving, low noise, and portable. So that's pretty awesome, my friends. You might wonder, warm function, what would you want that? Well, a lot of mothers and fathers use the warm function to warm baby milk. Some people use makeup and use that with the makeup, so they keep the makeup in there and it keeps it at a nice consistency instead of being cold. I mean, pretty much whatever you can think of, you can use that warming function for. We will be using this for some drinks while we're working at our desk. I'm definitely digging the sleek design. Now for the fridge, you just pull back on here, open up the door, give you a little thank you, a little manual, power supply, and everything is in here. As you can see, you have a little slot on the side. You have two tiers. The nice thing about this fridge, you can lift this out if you don't want it in. You can go ahead and put it at the top. You can put it at the center. However you want to do it, you can set it up. Some people have it like this as a chest freezer. I'm not sure if that's smart. Now, remember, when you close it, don't just drop it or it will stay open. Actually put pressure on it. Once you put pressure on it, then you can go ahead and it will seal. Just wait for the click. On the back here, you can see the cooling or warming function. You can see your power supply. You're going to have two different power supply cables. So guys, you get a 12-volt plug, so you can use this in your vehicle, or you have your standard 2-prong outlet. Now make sure you actually plug this in the right. Now it's pretty simple. It's hard to plug the one into the other because of the design, but don't force anything. If it doesn't pop right in, then you're using the wrong plug. On the bottom here, we can go ahead and show you. Pause the video right here if you want more information. All right guys, now once you have it plugged in, it says 66 watts, but we also have a light plugged in. So it's probably gonna take about 50 to 60, well, I'd say about 50 watts is probably what it's going to use on cool. Let's try it on warming. Warming, it's definitely probably going to, well, okay, it actually didn't go up that much, maybe 10 more watts. That's actually very impressive. Very, very impressive. That's definitely energy efficient. We had it on cool for just probably a minute, and you can definitely feel the difference. There is no temperature controlled. I believe it goes on one specific temperature level, which is just like a refrigerator. I forget the actual temp, but you can find it in here. But overall, my friends, this is really nice. I love the design. Plastic design, lightweight design. It is nice. So I'm very happy with this. I have no complaints at all.